This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Traditional cloud platforms were not originally designed for AI workloads. Training modern AI models requires specialized infrastructure, high-performance GPUs, ultra-fast networking, and massive data centers built specifically for machine learning. As demand for AI explodes, companies that can supply this infrastructure are becoming incredibly valuable. The AI ecosystem can be thought of in three layers. At the bottom, you have hardware companies like Nvidia that build the GPUs. In the middle are AI infrastructure providers like Nebius, which deploy large GPU clusters. And at the top are hyperscale cloud platforms like Microsoft, AWS, and Google that deliver AI services to enterprises. Nebius sits right in the middle of this stack. Nebius is one of the few publicly traded companies focused entirely on AI infrastructure. And over the past year, it has attracted massive attention from investors. Why? Because the company has secured major hyperscaler contracts and strategic partnerships that could transform its growth trajectory. One of the biggest catalysts for Nebius was its AI infrastructure agreement with Microsoft. The deal is estimated to be worth between $17.4 billion and potentially $19.4 billion. This agreement gives Microsoft access to large-scale GPU compute capacity provided by Nebius. This partnership changes the company's future dramatically. It provides long-term revenue visibility, validates Nebius as a serious infrastructure provider, and confirms that hyperscalers are willing to outsource AI compute capacity. Nebius also secured another major agreement, this time with Meta. The contract is estimated to be worth around $3 billion over multiple years. This means multiple hyperscalers are now turning to specialized infrastructure providers to meet their AI compute needs. Another major milestone came when Nvidia invested $2 billion in Nebius. This investment is more than just capital. It represents a strategic partnership between one of the world's most important AI hardware companies and an emerging AI infrastructure platform. Nvidia dominates the AI hardware market. Most AI models today are trained using Nvidia GPUs. By partnering closely with Nvidia, Nebius gains access to cutting-edge hardware and a powerful ecosystem that supports AI development. Nebius demonstrates significant year-over-year improvements in key financial metrics, with revenue and net income showing substantial growth from 2024 to 2025, highlighting its strong financial trajectory. Management is targeting something very ambitious. The company expects annualized run rate revenue to grow from about $1.2 billion today to potentially $7 to $9 billion by 2026. If achieved, that would represent one of the fastest infrastructure expansions in the technology industry. Nebius Group NV's stock has seen remarkable growth, with a year-over-year increase of 292.87%, reflecting strong market confidence and positioning within the AI infrastructure sector. Wall Street analysts have a largely positive outlook on Nebius, with a consensus rating of buy, strong buy. This reflects strong confidence in AI infrastructure demand and Nebius's strategic position. Analysts project an average price target range of $143 to $151 per share for Nebius, with high estimates between $211 to $232 and low estimates ranging from $70 to $108, indicating varied expectations for its market performance. Nebius's investment scorecard provides a summary of its fundamental strengths and weaknesses, including strong global demand for AI infrastructure, revenue growth potential, and competitive landscape, alongside execution risk and stock volatility. Potential investors should evaluate significant risks, such as substantial capital expenditures, data center construction delays, GPU supply constraints, and competition from hyperscalers. Successful execution is crucial for mitigating these risks. Nebius is poised to become a leading global provider of AI infrastructure, anchored by major hyperscaler contracts, strengthened by a strategic Nvidia partnership, and driven by aggressive expansion of computing infrastructure. Nebius represents a high-growth, high-risk AI infrastructure investment. If successful in scaling its global compute platform and converting its contract backlog into revenue, Nebius could emerge as a key infrastructure provider powering the AI economy. Visit AIStocksHub.com for detailed reports on emerging AI companies, offering insights into the dynamic world of AI stock investments.